Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so after 2 months, which included 20 fans to dry things out, demolition, new floors, walls, doors, and paint, including hernia surgery, which I got from carting everything out of my basement, I'm now back in my original Level Up studios, minus anything on the walls, which makes it all look like a hospital room or a prison or something. Anyways, have patience, I'll get it all back up. In the meantime, we've hit the holiday season, one of my favorite times of the year. Love the music, the decorations, and I especially love the awesome cartoon holiday specials. Today we're going to sort of combine two of those and extend last week's celebration of the 75th anniversary of Charles Schulz's masterpiece, the Peanuts comic strip, and the incredible cast of characters who occupied that world. We're going to draw for our first holiday drawing the image that is the cover art for the soundtrack to the timeless classic, A Charlie Brown Christmas. I'm sure you've seen it. It features Charlie Brown, Lucy, and Linus dancing around a Christmas tree with Snoopy absurdly perched at the top of the tree. As I said, I have to believe you've seen this image, and you'd have to be from a different planet not to have heard the incredible music from A Charlie Brown Christmas, composed and played by the late great jazz pianist Vince Guaraldi. From the first airing of A Charlie Brown Christmas on CBS in 1965, Guaraldi's music has virtually become the soundtrack of all things Peanuts. On that note, let's draw. Just a quick note before we get going. You may notice that I've altered our little Charlie Brown Christmas scene just a little to be able to fit all the characters in the confines of our screen as close as possible. In essence, I've shrunk the Christmas tree a bit, making it a bit shorter so I can keep Snoopy in the frame. Everything else is pretty much unchanged. I just wanted to point that out. Anyways, we're going to draw our Charlie Brown Christmas scene step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw it again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In our scene here, the three characters, Charlie Brown, Lucy, and Linus, are all a little over 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw their heads, their entire bodies will be just over 2 of those tall. You'll notice that Lucy and Linus are exactly the same height. Charlie Brown is just slightly taller. Not much, but he is slightly taller in this scene. Then there's Snoopy. Snoopy in a sitting position atop the tree is exactly 2 heads tall. So however tall you draw that oval that makes up the back of his head, he's exactly 2 of those tall. Okay? So what do you say we draw the roadmap for a cover art image of the soundtrack to Charlie Brown's Christmas? So there's our roadmap for our Charlie Brown Christmas scene. Now before we go into step 2, I want to give you the layout of our Peanuts scene using simple shapes for those of you who want a screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. I use guidelines to help me to position all of our Peanuts characters' features, bodies, and overall poses, but we don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our Charlie Brown Christmas soundtrack artwork. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of our Peanuts Christmas scene. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Snoopy, Charlie Brown, Lucy, and Linus. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. The goal here is to always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving all the way until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the details for our Peanuts Christmas scene. And that's how you do it. There they are, Charlie Brown, Lucy, Linus, and Snoopy, from the cover art to the music soundtrack of A Charlie Brown Christmas. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn any of these characters before, let alone a scene with all of them, and a Christmas tree, then you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our Peanuts Christmas scene during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Charlie Brown, Lucy, Linus, and Snoopy in our little Christmas scene. And with that, you can draw it again and again. And by all means, color it when you're done. I promise each time you draw it, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your version of the Charlie Brown Christmas soundtrack cover art. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.